Welcome, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of acorns, those small, mighty treasures that hold the promise of towering oak trees. Join me on this journey as we explore the intricate details, natural beauty, and surprising versatility of acorns. From their role in the ecosystem to delightful DIY projects, we're about to uncover the wonders encapsulated in these tiny brown gems. Let's dive into the enchanting universe of acorns. Acorns and pine cones are natural materials that can be used in various crafts and decorative projects. Here are some general ideas on how things can be made using acorns or pine cones. Decorative wreaths. Arrange acorns or pine cones in a circular pattern to create a rustic and natural wreath. You can attach them to a base using glue or wire. Centerpieces. Fill a bowl or vase with acorns or pine cones for a simple yet elegant centerpiece. You can mix them with other natural elements or decorative items. Ornaments. Turn acorns or pine cones into ornaments by adding strings or hooks. Paint or decorate them to match a specific theme. Candle holders. Glue acorns or pine cones around the base of a candle holder for a textured and natural look. Garland or string lights. Thread acorns or pine cones onto a string to create a garland. Alternatively, glue them to string lights for a warm and earthy decoration. Potpourri. Mix dried pine cones with aromatic spices or essential oils to create homemade potpourri for a pleasant fragrance. Acorn or pine cone. Animals. Use acorns or pine cones as the body or head of small animal figurines. Add details using paint, felt, or other craft materials.